Forest Conservation Act 1980. Tick mark the law. The law directly asks for to mention the name for 1 mark, and they can ask to write the role of this law. This may you must know the which law has been put forward in which year and what is the purpose behind that law. It should be mentioned properly. First law is the Forest Conservation Act 1980. See what purpose this law has been entered. See, the land reserved for forest conservation has been prohibited to use for any other purpose. That means whatever the land has been reserved for forest, it should not be used for any other purpose. For this way they have been created one law. The law we are calling as Forest Conservation Act 1980. Forest Conservation 1980. Underline that line in your book directly. Underline first that word prohibited to use for any other purpose. Prohibited to use for any other purpose. Secondly, see, they are given an example. Permission of central government is compulsory for mining activities. Under that, permission to mining activities. Permission to mining activities. Permission to mining activities. And see what is the law says that if you disobey this law, last two lines see, any person who disobey this law is entered for in prison for 15 days. This is the punishment for 15 days. Tick mark this law, underline that word, the punishment also, which is related to our main point. Then law number 2, Conservation Act 1986. 1986. See about this law. What did law mention there? See, purpose of the act is to control the pollution and punish the person or institute who harm the environment. Pollution control as well as punishment for the institute or the person who is related to the harming the environment. Person means which we see any person or any factory is prohibited by this act by releasing the pollution in the atmospheric beyond the permissible limit. Underline word permissible limit. Permissible limit. Permissible limit. Whatever the permission is given for certain values to release the smoke or any other material in the environment, if you go beyond this limit, if the factory or the person who is running that industries who go beyond the limit, it should be disobey this law. Person who breaks this rule, it can get punishment for imprisonment for the 5 years, fine up to 1 lakh, and then both these words, punishment 5 years, fine up to 1 lakh, And during this time, see, the National Green Park has been National Green Tribunal, under this word, is established in 2010 for effective implementation of environmental related law. The sentence can be asked for the fill in the blank. National Green Tribunal has been established in 2010 for effective implementation of environment, that means environment related laws. Now the laws as per the Wildlife Protection Act 1972, there are three laws are there, A, B, C, three clauses are there. Clause number 49A, 49B, 49C. These three different clauses are related to the wildlife protection. First, see, as per the law, first clause 49A, it is for trading of rare animals. It has been completely banned. Underline word rare, trading of rare animals. Trading of rare animals is completely banned. Clause number 49A. Trading of rare animals has been completely banned. Number second, as per clause 49B, use of this article has been prepared for. The most important is skin or other organs of wild animal has been banned. Articles prepared from skin or organs of wild animals, it has been completely banned. Another line, use of articles prepared from skin or organs. Skin or organs. First was trading. Second, articles made by skin or organs. Number third, clause number 49C, disclosure of stock of artifacts made from rare wild animal is compulsory. Underline what the disclosure of stock. Disclosure of stock. Turn the page. One of the story has been given. See, one of the person. Big history of a small animal, small man. The person who born in nomadic tribe of Assam, born in 1963, who was working as a forest worker since age of 16 years. Once a large number of snakes has been died in flood of river Brahmaputra flowing through this village. As per the preventive measures, the Molai planted 20 bamboo plantlets. Then in 1979, the local social forestry department began a social afforestation project on 20 hectares of land. This person was one of the few forest workers who were looking after this project and continued to plant the trees even after completion of the project. Even after completion of the project. Let's see what happens. Whatever the work has been done by him, it has been continued after the project also. As a result, see, he continues to work planning and taking care of the trees, and the whole barren area was covered by all this plantation near about 1,360 acres. Under this figure for fill in the blank. That means one person can change the environment who was working as a small worker in the forest field. Whenever the flood was there, number of snakes has been died. He started only plantation of 20 plants of the bamboos. When the government started one of the project in 200 hectares of land, after the completion of this project, he don't wait for that. He continue the plantation, take the care of all the plant, and by this work, see, near about 1,360 acres of the area has been covered by this plantation. Huge work has been done by the small man, which makes the big history in this Assam, who is coming from the nomadic tribe, was born in 1963. Nowadays, see, the jungle of the Assam is the result of one of the result of hard work of this man for 30 years. He has been awarded with the Padma Shri Award by the government of India for his work, and it is well known as Molai's jungle. Many people come together to destroy this forest, but single person, if determined, he can establish the new forest. And the last line, if a single person can destroy the forest, one of the single person also can be established the new forest, just like one of the good example. One of the good. Remember the name of this person, from which area he comes, which area is planted, undertaken plantation, how many years he worked, how many areas covered under this plantation, and how the one single person can be established the new forest. This is one of the good example who can make one of history. Secondly, give the heading environmental conservation and biodiversity. Environmental conservation and biodiversity. I think your videos are off. Boys, you can on your videos. अपने वीडियोस ऑन करो. Come on. Your videos must be on. One by one. Let's see. Sit properly. Chetu sleeping? No. Sit properly. Very good. Now it's looking nice. Page number 42. Environmental conservation and biodiversity. Come on the same page. Most of the harmful effect of the environmental pollution occurs by living organism. Underline this word. We are one of this responsible person who can create the harmful effect on environment. Some examples are given. See, our living world has been rich with different types of biodiversities. It consists of different varieties of plants and animals. However, we are not able to see some specific animals about which have been heard or which has been listed from our earlier generation. Now, who was responsible for this? The biodiversity is richness of living organism in the nature due to presence of varieties of organism, ecosystem and genetic variation. This genetic variation within the species is most important to keep our both the cycles, whatever you have seen in the last period, see, in the conservation, that means which are related to the linking of the food chain and food web, which are naturally disturbed by the different type of activities at the different level. Throughout this biodiversity is spread over at three different levels. At three different levels. Write one line under this. Give the heading biodiversity. Give the heading biodiversity and write it's spread over at three different levels. You will see one by one. First level, genetic diversity. Only first give the names. Genetic diversity, species diversity and ecosystem diversity. Only give the names. We will see one by one. Come in genetic diversity. This diversity or occurrence of the diversity among these organisms of some species is called as genetic diversity. Underline first line. Underline first line. Example given, see. Each human being is different from other. Possibility of wiping out the species arises if there is decrease in the diversity within the species whose member is involved in sexual reproduction. Be careful here. If any one of the organism or any one of the species whose member involved in sexual reproduction, if this species goes on decreasing, the genetic diversity will be disturbed. Underline last line. Some others are entering. Underline last line about this. The species whose member involved in sexual reproduction, if it goes on decreasing, or it slowly and slowly, if this species come to an end, it directly affect on genetic diversity. Now what the species is? Second type, species diversity. There are innumerable species of organisms in the nature. This group we are calling as species diversity. It includes all type of plants, animals and microbes. And then all these three, it can ask for the fill in blank or one answer in one sentence. All type of or different various type of the plants, animals, microbes. This is the huge big group which come under the species diversities. Now turning towards the third type, the ecosystem diversity. Whenever there is interaction between these plants and animals, and between this interaction, whenever the ecosystem has been formed by this interaction between plants and animals, their habitat and change in environment will form one type of the ecosystem, and different types of the characteristics of the animals, plants, microbes, which is calling as abiotic or biotic factors, combinedly the naturally and artificially different types of the ecosystem has been formed. This group of ecosystem we are calling as ecosystem diversity. Underline what interaction. See in which group this interaction takes place. Plants, animals, who can change the environment. Each one of the ecosystem has its own characteristics. It includes plants, it includes animals, it includes microbes, it includes abiotic factors. And this ecosystem has two types, natural and artificial. For this conservation, see, there should be positive attitude of human being toward the environment for the welfare of entire living world. For this purpose, some important rules has been done. Rules are related to the conservation, organizer, guide, plantation and awareness. This role should be performed by everybody to follow this type of conservation by everybody. Come on next page, page number 43. Scarecrows, under the definition. First line in that box, diagram number 4.3. The forest conserved in the name of God and considered to be scared is called as scarecrows under this definition. The forest conserved in the name of God. Now this is one of the fact. Some sanctuary has been conserved by society, not by the government, forest department. It has been conserved in the name of the God. It has been special protection. This cluster of this thick forest are present not only in the Western Ghat but entire country. See the figure, more than 13,000. This grouse has been reported in India. Whereas such a grouse in Maharashtra also, number of there see, they have to ask to the make one list and they can directly go towards protection of this grouse. These grouse are not produced by this government but by the people, thinking that this conserved area or conserved forest is given for the name of the God. They are taking the care and special protection is given to this, and these grouse are having much more importance. Especially now come towards the symbols. See, 4 symbols are given. You can mention the names. These are common symbols. See, in our daily life we are using all the symbols for different purpose. By these symbols we can turn towards different our area by this giving these different names. Now tick mark that point for 2 marks in blue color box. How can biodiversity be conserved? How can biodiversity conserve? See that 7 points are given for biodiversity. This biodiversity, see, one by one, this 7 points it can ask for the 2 marks to write this. One by one, we will see this different ways how it can be mentioned. First, see, protecting the rare species of organism, establishing national park and sanctuaries, declaring some area as bioreservoir, project for conservation of special species, conserving all plants and animals, observing the rules or following the rules, maintaining record of traditional knowledge. At least you have to write any 4 for 2 marks or 6 for 3 marks. Especially this question can be asked for 2 marks. See, come in the symbols near to this blue color box. First symbol, see, it is related to the keep our waste carefully. Note down the name of this first symbol. whose person has been shown to the dustbin, near to dustbin. Symbol tells us to keep our waste carefully. Second symbol in green color circle, it is related to the save electricity. Number third symbol of bicycle means use of green energy. And last symbol with the drop of water in our hand is giving message, symbol for saving water. Remember this name, directly the symbols are given in the exam, they asked to write the name. They asked to write the name. This is about related symbols. Now there are some organization, voluntary and international environmental organization. Only we must know this name. It cannot ask in the exam, but we must know. Voluntary see Bombay Natural History Society Mumbai, CPR Environment Group New Chennai, Gandhi's Peace Foundation Environment Cell Delhi, Chipko Center, Center for Environment Education Ahmedabad, Kerala Science Literature Council, Indian Agro Industry Foundation Pune, Vikram Sarabhai Community Science Center Ahmedabad. All these are the voluntary organization. International organization see International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN in Switzerland, Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, Geneva, United Nations Environmental Program, Geneva, World Life Fund, New York, BirdLife International, Cambridge, Green Climate Fund in South Korea. These are the international organizations, and some of them are the voluntary organization. The Greenpeace is the world largest organization engaged in the environmental activities. See, more than 25 lakh people from 26 different countries are the member of this organization. Collectively, they collect the information about the work of all the mentioned above organization. That means this is turning towards huge work which can works in different areas. Till here you read this point, see which things are